Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Barbie phone, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So to get started, when you boot it up, you should be presented with the same screen that you can see right here, where you just get to find your desired language. There isn't going to be many options, I think. I guess there is actually a decent amount, but in any case, I'm interested in English. There we go. So let's click on it. Do you want to set the time and the date? No, sure. And you can choose either the 24 or 12-hour auto update. So this will mean that it's going to automatically set the date and time. And let's see, how do I actually confirm that? I just go back. Okay. Accessibility, whatever. We have some ICE, whatever that is, basic info. Don't care about that. Warranty. Okay, continue. Okay. Add Ken to your contacts. Sure, why not? Great. And there we go. That's basically everything that there is to the setup. And now, where's the freaking plus button? Oh, star. There we go. So here we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.